Hi, dear. We are from Geely AI Lab, and today I am going to introduce our new study called M3-JEPA. This is a multimodal alignment technology with a multi-gate MoE predictor based on JEPA. The full name of JEPA is Joint-Embedding Predictive Architecture, which belongs to a new type of self-supervised learning framework, like the popular next token prediction paradigm. JEPA aligns the input and output information in the latent space. A predictor is used to project the input embedding into the output embedding space, which can prevent the modality or representation collapse. There are some JEPA-based studies. For example, IJEPA applies JEPA on computer vision, and M3-JEPA expands it to motion content learning. In this work, we leverage JEPA on broader multimodal scenarios. 3M letters in M3-JEPA mean the multimodal, multi-gate and mixture of expert, respectively. The predictor in the original JEPA is implemented with a MoE in our paper. We further add the multi-gate logic, where each gate produces the output for one loss term. M3-JEPA has two losses, contrastive loss and regularization loss. It implements the predictor by MoE structure, where each gate yields the output for one loss term. We also use the pre-trained modality encoder to embed the input and output information before calculating the loss. Finally, we use AGD to optimize different multimodal tasks, which are interleaved stepwisely. We also conduct a theoretical study, which shows the connection between our loss to maximization of the mutual information and minimization of the conditional entropy. We also derive the optimal loss weight of alpha to be 0.5 from both free energy analysis and from the AGD assumption. Through substantial experiments, we demonstrate that M3-JEPA achieves state-of-the-art performance in vision language retrieval, outperforming various baseline structures, and has relatively small trainable parameters. M3-JEPA also surpasses previous methods on audio language retrieval in a zero-shot style, where we train it with a separate set of training data, which is the same setting to language bind. M3-JEPA also performs well on image classification, in which we model the binary label as another modality, encoding it by one hot. M3-JEPA obtained the second-to-best result on VQA, in which there are two modalities in the input, vision and question. We simply concatenate their embeddings as the input embedding, which could be further improved. We also conduct ablation and sensitivity studies to balance the performance and speed. We also fine-tune 3 layers of modality encoders. We also find out the best loss weight is 0.5, which is consistent with our theoretical conclusion. We finally conduct an efficiency analysis, showing the superiority of the M3-JEPA framework on both training and inference, especially when the input can be pre-computed. In the future, we would like to explore a better modality fusion strategy, expand to generative tasks, and more generalized world modeling.